iframes. I've been thinking about doing iframes on certain sites. I've done it many times with YouTube. You embed a code with YouTube and it's an iframe onto their site. So if you know what that is, you can actually do the same thing with other sites. I'm thinking about on this template, just experimenting with having an iframe going through to another one of my sites. So let's see how you could do that. So you're viewing a site on another site. So let's get Notepad. Like so. Notepad. Okay. Go to all files and index page. I know the space I want to put it in. So I want to view one of my sites on this site. So iframe equals, then it's the hypertext transfer protocol security colon // and then the full title. Danny Fallon 2.blogspot.com. And then again. Or is that left? Then the height. Sorry, width. I'm gonna have just looking at my right now equals 100%. Width equals it's supposed to be. Then height equals, I'm going to put 500 pixels. Then close. Then a closing iframe tag. And that's the same thing you'd have on YouTube. So I'm going to save that. Accidentally maximized it there. Saving that. Let's just check I've done it right. Move on to, okay, close that there and preview that in the browser. So the same sort of thing you do with a YouTube video, you can actually, I didn't mean it to be on that image, I didn't know you could do that either. The image is bordering it, it looks quite good actually, but there you are. So there's an iframe that's actually like a frame onto another site. The exact same thing. And I think it will stop there. Or did it? I think I accidentally stopped the video. I'm not sure. If I did, I'll start it all again. So like YouTube, you can put in an iframe, but not just to a video on YouTube, but to another site. Look, I can scroll on my site, on another site, my blogspot. Okay, that's where you accept cookies. Can I change page? It's even showing the advertising. More posts. I'm changing page. Continuing and continuing. Press OK again. I even created another pop-up from that site. This would be very handy for me. I could have many sites on the same page. That would be good for the traffic bots. So there you go. An iframe onto another site from your site. That's how you do it. It's just that one code.